Why do 73% of tech enthusiasts think Apple's new AirPods Pro 2 will change the game? This September, Apple dropped a bombshell with the announcement of major hearing health features for the AirPods Pro 2. We're talking clinical-grade hearing aid functionality, a built-in hearing test, and even improved hearing protection. Imagine this. You're on your morning jog, and your AirPods Pro 2 are not just blasting your workout playlist, but also checking your hearing health. Seems like Apple's turned your earbuds into a personal audiologist. And for those wondering if these features are as good as they sound, early reviews suggest they might actually be. While they won't replace professional hearing aids for severe cases, for mild to moderate hearing loss, they're a game changer. Plus, the hearing test can help you stay ahead of any potential issues. So, are Apple's new AirPods Pro 2 features really that good? You bet your sweet decibels they are. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Cheers!